Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to upload from an external program to GoodX Web. Capturing images using the Cloud Capture app is particularly useful, as it allows the images to be stored securely in the cloud, reducing the need for physical storage on local devices like phones and computers. Additionally, cloud storage ensures easy access and sharing of images within the system, promoting better collaboration and streamlined workflows. Please refer to the How to Capture Images on Cloud Capture user manual for more information on capturing images with the Cloud Capture app. For this tutorial video, we will start on the video capture screen. For more information on how to navigate and use the video capture screen, please refer to the Video Capture Screen, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Firstly, click on the Load from External Upload button for the Manage External File screen to open. Click on the desired external file. At this point, please note that only one image can be selected at a time. To permanently remove the image from the external file screen, click on the Delete button. Once the file has been deleted, you will no longer be able to restore it and the image will have to be recaptured. To upload the selected image, click the Select button to add the image to the video capture screen. For more information on how to use the video capture screen, please refer to the Video Capture Screen, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description.